Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on to do a layout for Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 days of sketches. And we are working with, is it day 18? Day 18, and the sketch is from Peace Craft Love. So let's take a look at it. Now it looks like there's a torn piece of paper coming here, photos in the center, some mixed media, nice messiness, which is pretty good because I don't have a lot of product to use. Title down here. Awesome. We've got a couple little banners, all that kind of stuff. So seems like we can do something with that, right? Okay, so let's go ahead. Oh, and right here, you can see where you can find this creator. Okay, so let me show you what I'm going to use. I have this kit from July 2022 called Game Night, and it doesn't exactly line up with my photo, but we're going to make it work. I have a couple of pieces left of smooth white cardstock, which is good because I need one piece of background paper. So that's all I need. I've got one. I do have scraps and scraps and scraps. I love this. It's such a good vibe. Okay, I've got, this was a la carte. My boy, it is a cardstock cut. I'm going to use that for my title. I've got these gorgeous Simple Stories foam stickers. They are on white foam, and I think I'm going to end up using What a Life, maybe? Either What a Life, because I have a picture of a sleeping dog. I'm going to grab that star piece. Fun. I've got these arrows, so we're going to be able to use some of that. Definitely going to use this to create my background because I only basically will have white cardstock for the background. So I'm going to do something with this to create a background. I do have some acrylic pieces. I've got these gorgeous arrows. And looks like I've used some bits, but this can go into there perfectly. And I have an LOL. So these, anytime you see this little a la on my products, it's because it was from a la carte. I've got Family Night frames and tags, ephemera pieces, all of these pretties. And then I also have Simple Stories, bits and pieces, family fun. So when I show you all of these, does not mean I have them all in there. I've used this kit before. I am down to a whole lot of nothing. Phew. So, oh, and I also have this great stencil. It's Echo Park Paper Company 6x6 stencil, and it is from the Let's Lumberjack collection. So my intention for this is, you know how we had that big band that came across? I thought I would just go ahead and, oh, there's something underneath it. Go ahead and do, trying to see, oh, it's slightly up. A little bit of molding paste with that. So I want to go to the, you know, I might put something over here. I need something. There we go. So I don't feel bad about getting it all gunky. So I've got my Cloud Whip, which I adore. It is from scrapbook.com. This stuff is very nice. I've got some Cloud Whip. I've got a brand new spatula, which is fantastic. And I'm going to just go ahead and get some of these stars popped on. Now, I won't do it perfectly. They're not going to be in this big, beautiful, perfect line because I don't really know how to do perfect ever. So I'm going to do that. Go over here as far as I can. Okay, we shall pick it up. Voila, we have stars. Then I will, oh guys, it's on my hand. I've got it on my hand. I'm going to get gooey. Okay, let me, oh gosh, we're making a mess. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and repeat that coming to this side, and anywhere there's like a funny seam, I'll just make sure there's embellishments or something over it. It's fine. And then in the meantime, with the pattern papers I have left, I'm going to go ahead and back my cut file. So all that being said, I'll be back in a minute. So I do have, my background is dry. So it's one of those things that you can probably see way better in real life, but what can you do? I've backed my cut file, which I just realized that is supposed to be in this print. So yeah, I have to do the Y again. Whoops. So I have this. I've got my photo of Blue. I forgot to show you guys the photo. This is Blue sleeping, so that's why I thought my boy would be kind of funny. And I think it's going to be a bit of a centered kind of design. So I have that. I wanted to back the photo with a couple more mats of this fab pattern paper, and then I'm going to start pulling out die cuts. But I was bringing you along, and yeah, I already made a mistake. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to fix back my photo, all that stuff. I'll be back. So I've got my pieces attached down, not my arrows, and I went through this Simple Stories bits and pieces and pulled out, ooh, I just saw a star, a few pieces that I thought would work. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take these away for now, and I'm just going to pop a couple pieces on. I think this is going to be one of those simple kind of clean layouts, especially for me, because I don't do a lot of the simple / clean, but you never know. We can try. So we're going to do something like that. Now we've got these tickets here, and guys, I know I've got stickers stuck to me. I'm a hot mess. Sometimes you just got to go for it. Okay. I like these little tickets here. I like this bingo card. So I want to get some die cut type stuff on here. So same kind of thing. I'm going to go kind of like that with a piece and then bring a piece out like so. So I've got things on both sides. I think I'll do more tickets over here because I liked them. And then I have, as you see, these foamy arrows that are on my hand. I love tickets, so to me they work for anything. So that's one of those nice little accidents. So that is coming off that way. You know what, since I have a straight piece there, I'm going to do a straight piece with the tickets. Then, feel like I should switch these around and bring some red, like strong red over here. So I can glue those down. I have a piece like this. Excuse me. I can have a piece like this. Guess the orange one's not going to come on because now all of a sudden it's not feeling like what I want. This is that little foam piece, and I just cut off part of it, and I thought I would put it into the sticker. I don't know if that's going to work. No, it's not going to work. Okay, let's pull that back up. So we can go just like that. The reason why is I don't have stuff for the other part. So I was like, oh, that's so sad. Okay. Now, I do have more stars, which, of course, I could put into the die cut, but I'm not going to. So I have these other stars that they do match. I'm going to pop them up on a little bit of foam. Come on. Pop them up on a little bit of foam, and I'm going to pop them around in some places. And then for the mixed media bit, I think I'm going to just come in with this Nuvo Aqua Shimmer brush. I got it from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. It is in Midas Touch, and I'm going to do some splatters. So I will come back and we'll get some splatters on, and this layout is going to be done like boom, boom, boom. So all I did is squeezed out a little bit of this gold gorgeousness, and I'm going to go kind of heavy around these stars that are just white on white to draw your attention to them. And it'll also draw your attention to the mixed media, the molding paste a little bit. Thought that would be fun. Let me go ahead and try to get some more of that up. There we go. So much fun. So I will have links down below for Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, people who are playing along. And what else? Oh, I'll have links for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, because all the kits I'm using for the series this time are from that company, because I'm trying to use my stash up. And it's going really well. I'm so excited that I'm seeing like packages going away from my room. I don't know why that's so fun, but to me, it's a win. I love that. Okay, couple more splatters. I need to get a little bit more here. And I will pull it up and show this to you. I'm gonna have still shots, like, you know, right there in 1 second. And that, my friends, is gonna be that. I just wanna make sure that these acrylics and all of these bits get some of this sparkle. It is such a good gold, you know, because it's so dramatic that I really want it on here. Okay, There we go. You go like this. I'm going to lift this up and we will see the finished layout. Super, super simple. I didn't have a ton of paper and whatnot to use, but I think it came together rather nicely. Okay, still shots to follow, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video.